Hi guys, so it's currently day 3 in Cabo. As you can tell, my whole chest and back is red all over here. It was so hard to sleep last night because it was just radiating heat off me. My friend Alessandra and I were just like miserable last night trying to sleep because we both sleep on our back, so we couldn't do that, and we are so tired right now because currently 8 in the morning. We woke up early to go ATVing. As you can tell, my man voice is in full effect. Don't make fun of me. But I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing because it happens to be my favorite gym outfit. So I have my purple, pink, and blue tank and these awesome gray capris, and then my favorite Asics shoes. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, I kind of wish that I had brought not a tank top and a t-shirt to cover up all this so I wouldn't get beat by the sun today. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna go ATVing. This is my first time ATVing, so I'm so excited. Stay tuned for the ATV footage. Hopefully I get some on that action camera, but if not, I'll see you after that. Bye guys.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat. Grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah. In the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
Over here, so we have the beach behind us, and then over here we have the mountains behind us. So pretty. And then of course we have, yeah, see? are y'all liking it, guys?
It's fun. It's gorgeous. Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Ooh, you can feel like the saltwater air like hit you. It's awesome. This is our view.
Oh my god. Those are like, they're even bigger than the ones from the other from the beach one.
Oh, I can feel the salt water hitting my face. I love this.
¿Cuál era la otra? La playa de San Andrés. Entran dos y tres. Oh yeah.
To go on a dinner booze cruise, and I thought I would show you the cool marina behind me and the mountains, and currently waiting in line. I have a cool romper on. Check it out, check it out. There are all the boats behind me.